They play that like this camera crew, documenting what goes on in his office. So they talk to the camera and whatnot. It's like a reality show. It's half scripted, half improvised. It's a long time ago. It's like, I think that was 5 years ago, that picture of us at IHOP.
It was the first time Kelly and Tiffany came and I met them.
No idea where Nala is. Have you seen Nala? Have you seen her? Have you noticed it?